to know how to safeguard your home from unwelcome visitors without having to struggle spending hours of research on all of the home security options available? Question: when it comes to home security, what do you think is the biggest challenge most people have? One of the biggest challenges is finding a home security expert who will listen to your needs and come up with an affordable solution. Why is this such a challenge? It's because so many people make this big mistake. They believe home security is expensive and put it off until their home is broken into. Why should you care? You should care because the distress of losing your most precious possessions, filing police reports, and dealing with insurance companies is far greater than the effort and expense of evaluating your home for security risks and fixing out where you are vulnerable. So, are you ready to find out how to choose the right home security solution for you? Perfect. Let's make this easy. Here are 3 tips to help you find an affordable home security system in Hornsby. Tip 1. Walk around your home and think like a burglar. This is important because you will start to appreciate whether your home is an easy target. For example, are there overgrown bushes or trees for an intruder to hide behind? Do you have light motion sensors for dark areas? Are there deadlocks on your windows and doors? Do you have an alarm system? Etc. etc. Now you know your weaknesses, you're ready to find out what home security options are available. Tip 2. There are a number of different home security options available. Home security does not have to be expensive. By targeting the areas around your home which are most vulnerable, you're spending money where it is needed most. And there are a number of both wired and wireless options available to suit your home type, whether it is a new build or whether you have an existing one-story or multi-story home. There are options for every budget. Now you should be ready to speak to a home security installation expert. Tip 3. Ask whether a wireless alarm system is suitable for you. Wireless alarm systems are usually cheaper. Also, if you're living in a double or triple story house with limited roof access, a wireless alarm system will allow you to cover more areas of your home. So make sure any quote you receive also includes a wireless option. And if you're recommended a more expensive wired option, make sure you are comfortable with the reasons why it is considered to be the best option for you. Now you understand some of the top tips to choose an affordable home security system, there's no reason to delay speaking to a home security expert and getting a quote. Ready to find your affordable home security system? Home Security Systems Hornsby is here to help. Contact us today on 02 9159 6828.